What I wish I knew at the start of my tech journey? These 5 AI tools that make life so much easier. First up, we have ChatGPT. This conversational AI can help you draft emails, brainstorm ideas, or even write stories. Next is DALL-E. Need unique images? DALL-E creates stunning visuals from just a text prompt. Third on the list is Notion AI. It's like your personal assistant for organizing notes, tasks, and projects. Fourth, there's Grammarly. This tool ensures your writing is clear and mistake-free. No more embarrassing typos. Finally, meet Zapier. It connects your favorite apps and automates workflows so you can focus on what really matters. There you have it. 5 AI tools to boost your productivity and creativity. Give them a try and see the magic happen. Thanks for watching AI World, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.